Good morning, everyone. So today we're going to be doing 9.5. We're going to be graphing equations. It's going to be really similar to what we did yesterday, except we're just doing all of it on one page, okay? Instead of two assignments, it's going to be one. So right now you guys should have your green paper glued in. We're graphing equations with the green paper, 4 steps. Here is an equation I need you guys to write in. It's y equals 3x, and then put a table right underneath it with your x and y so we can pick our values and put them in there. And then at the very bottom of your page, you should have a graph that you're drawing, okay? So this, to start off with, this is what your paper should look like. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this. So just like yesterday, here are your steps. So you need to pick your values for x. That should be something that you're familiar with. Then you're going to solve for y using your new x. You're going to record the data in your chart, and then you're going to graph it. Okay, so here's my chart that we're going to record it in. Here's the problem we're working with. So it's y equals 3x. You guys can see that I already worked this once, and then my video stopped recording. So you get to see my leftover writing. Sorry, guys. Anyways, so just like what we did yesterday, we're going to write the problem out, and we're going to pick our values for x. So for today, I want to do just easy values, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to skip over to 5, okay? And so here I am. I went ahead and I wrote out my equation, and then I'm going to plug in my value for y. So my value for x. So my first value for x is 1. So I'm going to rewrite it as y equals 3 times 1 because I picked 1 for my value. So then I'm going to go ahead and solve it, and y equals 3 times 1 equals 3. So when x equals 1, y is going to equal 3. All right, so let's go ahead and look at our second example, or our second value. So I'm going to rewrite my problem again as y equals 3x. I'm going to plug in the value of my new x, which is 2. So it's going to be y equals 3 times 2. Then I'm going to go ahead and solve it, and 3 times 2 equals 6. So when x equals 2, y is going to equal 6. All right. And then we're going to go ahead and solve this when the value of x equals 3. So y equals 3x, and then y equals, when x equals 3, we're going to plug it in, so it's going to be 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So y equals 9 when the value of x is 3. And then we're going to solve out one more, and it's when x is going to equal 5. So I'm going to rewrite this as y equals 3x. So y equals 3x, we're going to rewrite it and plug in our number 5. So it's going to be y equals 3 times 5, and 3 times 5 is 15, and so we're going to go ahead and fill that in. Okay, so we did steps 1, 2, and 3. So just like yesterday, you guys need to go ahead and record your data into a chart. So here's my chart. And then finally, I'm left with step 4 where I need to graph it. So I'm going to come over to my graph. Just a reminder, x is on the horizontal line, y is on the vertical line. We remember that by asking ourselves, why are you so tall? And it's up and down, right? So we're going to come up to my first point right here, and it's 3, 1. Remember that we can write, or I apologize, it's 1 and 3. Sorry, guys. It's 1 and 3. Remember that we can write our points in ordered pairs like this, and then 2 and 6, 3 and 9, and then 5 and 15. So let's go ahead and graph our points. So my first point is 1 and 3, and then my second point is 2 and 6. My third point is 3 and 9, and then my last point is 5 and 15. Oh, and 15's clear pair, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is clear up here. Okay. So you guys can see that we went ahead and graphed our equation. So this is what you guys are working on today. It's a combination of what we worked on yesterday. It's just condensed into one. So just a reminder, you go ahead and place, you pick a value for x, you plug it in, you're going to solve it, and then you fill in the chart with what y would equal, and then you would graph it. I hope you guys are doing well. I miss all of your faces. Here's Harry Potter enjoying her chew toy. Harry Potter, look. Hi, do you want to say hi? Oh, did you just grunt? All right. Do you want to go get the ball one more time? Okay, there you go. Go get the ball. There's our messy luggage. Here's Harry Potter coming back, and she's precious and cute. And I hope that when you guys see her,